Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today we have a great episode. We're gonna watch the Bitcoin chart because we didn't do it for a couple of days. We also gonna take a look at the Bitcoin dominance because there is some surprising actions inside the Bitcoin dominance, guys. What's very good for the altcoins and for the meme coins. And beside that, guys, we're gonna take a look at a couple meme coins, altcoins. One of them it's Ape because Ape, like I told you last week, it was in a great moment to break out and it broke out, guys. So we're gonna take a look at Ape, maybe a couple more, maybe Peanut, maybe Wally. Let's see in the end of the episode which one we're gonna choose, and then we're gonna analyze all these meme coins. But first, guys, the most important of all, we're gonna take a fresh look at the Bitcoin price, guys. So let's go to the Bitcoin charts with a fresh cup of coffee, guys. So, guys, the Bitcoin charts on the daily. It looks quite good. It looks quite strong. It looks a bit how we expect it will look. There is one thing I want to tell you guys. As long the price of Bitcoin will bounce between 90K and between 100K, there is very good news for the meme coins, for the altcoins, because guys, that means that in the meanwhile a lot of money will flow inside the altcoins and inside the meme coins, guys, and that's good news. So actually, as long the price of Bitcoin stays between 90K, the range 90K and 100K, and it go up and down from that point, it will be great. And we can wait a little bit to break 100K. It can maybe take 3, 4, 5 weeks. It doesn't matter because in the meantime, all this money what flowed, because I float a lot of money inside Bitcoin, guys. All this money was float inside the Bitcoins. It can that it's all gonna go inside the meme coins and altcoins, and that's a big probability. And guys, what does that mean? That mean meme season, alt season, guys, it's starting, and you already see it with the big pumps. You already see this each from coin to coin, 40%, 50%. It's of course it doesn't go all in together. It go once by once, guys. If you remember the other cycles, it was always like from one coin to the other coin for the other coin. So guys, it's important to take a fresh look daily to the coins to see which coin is breaking out. It's breaking out the structure, and that can mean that this coin gonna pump. And guys, we found already a very nice one, and that was Ape the last week. It's already doubled the price almost from the moment it broke out. And of course, we're gonna find a lot more of this kind of breakouts, guys, because we are on top of it. I'm on top of these coins. I check it each day. So when I see almost a breakout, then I will directly announce this coin inside the video, guys, like I did with Ape last week. I hope you guys, you went inside Ape when I announced it, when it was just $1, and now it's almost 190. It even ticked today $2, so it's already double the price. So guys, the Bitcoin price, it looks quite good. Everything good look actually quite good in the Bitcoin. As long it stays between 90K and 100K, it's nothing to worry about. That's a good range to go up and down. When it's gonna cross the 90K and it go down, it can happen that the altcoins also gonna bleed a little bit. When it's gonna up from 100K, I don't think the altcoin is going to bleed. I think there will come more money inside the market, and the prices for the altcoins will hold a little bit. And from that moment, when Bitcoin is finished with the going more up, that means that the money again will flow inside the altcoins. So that's good news, guys. That's very good news, and it looks great. Let's go to the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Like we predicted, like I predicted the last week, the Bitcoin dominance, it looks quite weak, what we told before the weekend. So I already really expected, because I already saw a couple things that it was really changing the structure, because that's important in trading, guys. See the change in structure. So I saw a change in the structure, guys. And when I saw that, I already knew the alt season, the meme season, it's gonna start, and it's already, in my opinion, it's really started. You see it with a couple big pumps from coin to coin to coin to coin, and that will keep going. That will keep going, in my opinion. And like you see, even 3, 4 days ago, it was a daily buy here, and even that could not hold. So it means the Bitcoin money, the Bitcoin investors are pumping their money inside the altcoins, inside the meme coins, to make some more gains, because Bitcoin right now is resting. It made a huge move, guys, from 55K, from 59K to 100K. Bitcoin is a little bit tired. It needs a little bit rest. And when Bitcoin rest a little bit, when the giant rest a little bit, then the other coins, they're gonna have some pumps, guys, and this is what normally should happen, and this is what's happening right now in the market. So guys, it's a great moment when you are in meme coins, in altcoins, and to find new meme coins and altcoins, guys. That's also a great time where we are in at the moment of the season, guys. So even I expect that this trend gonna continue, guys. I think this trend gonna really continue, and I think, guys, this is not finished yet. I think the altcoins, it's gonna pump even more. We already saw some big surprises from some coins. So guys, also I want to tell you one thing. Don't be too worried when you are in a coin and doesn't go up directly, guys. This is just a game. You cannot from 5,000 coins be in 5,000 coins. Maybe you are in 10 coins. Maybe you are in 5 coins. Maybe you are in 15 coins, guys. Every coin will has its time, as long it's not a scam. That's the most important. So you should know that your coin, it's not a scam, it's a decent project. When it's a decent project, guys, the time for your coin will come. So what I normally don't like, it's a jump from coin to coin to coin to coin when it doesn't pump. I think that's a mistake. I think it can also work very bad for you, because the moment when you jump, it's normally the moment when your coin gonna uh, go up, because that's the moment that a lot of people getting tired of the coin, and that's exactly the moment that the coin will pump, guys. So I recommend, this is not financial advice, but for me personally, with 11 years experience in this market, guys, I don't recommend jumping from coin to coin. It's better to wait until your coin, the time for your coin will come and it will pump, and that's the moment that you're gonna decide, okay, I want to go outside this coin. But I will never do that in a moment that it's so going low and everybody is tired of the coin, because that's exactly what the big players in the game want. That the little players get tired in the game, that they think, okay, it's enough, and they sell it, and the bigger players, they buy it because they know better the game. They know how it works. They have more patience, and the people with the more patience, with the more bread, that will be the winners, guys. That will be the winners, because in the game, it's not only just trading, it's also having patience. It's also sometimes just putting your money in a coin or in a project and then wait until it's go up, guys. That's all about. And the most people, they just cannot wait. They are just so impatient, and that's exactly where the market is playing on, where the big players are playing on, because they know how human nature works. They know how the human brain works, and they play against that thing. They know that the most people, they don't have patience. So what they are doing, they make them on patience. They make them in situations that they think, okay, enough is enough, and I'm gonna out. And that's exactly the moment, mostly, when you will see that your coin will pump. Exactly when your patience was finished, it's the moment that the coin will pump. So I want to just tell that, guys, to the subscribers, to people that watching this channel, so you know. So guys, I think this trend is good. As long Bitcoin is between 90K and 100K, it's fine. So let's end it for Bitcoin, guys. Let's go to the altcoins. I want to first start with, uh, let's see. We're gonna start, guys, with ApeCoin. The ApeCoin, what we announced 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago. I don't know exactly when it was, but it was when the price was at this point, at $1.55. Sorry, $1.05. So this was it. So guys, I hope you guys made also this trade, because we went up with this trade already. Let's see, already 83%, and in the morning it was already doubled, so it was already 100%, but it's now at 80%, and that in a little bit longer than a week, guys. That's quite good. So we went in at this line, guys, at this wide line, because I saw a breakout. I saw that the coin was changing structure. I saw this point that the daily was crossing at this moment. I saw that the CMF was growing a lot, and the RSI, it did quite good. So guys, I saw in the daily chart that it was really looking good, and the oscillators did all good. The moving averages, it was all above. And you see, guys, it was a good breakout from ape. And personally, guys, I stay in ape because I think this is just the beginning of the start of ape, guys. I think ape will go a lot higher than this price. Ape is a decent coin. It went a lot down, guys. It went very lot down, but I remember, guys, Ape. It was $24, guys. It's almost from the dollar what we went in. It was 24 times going down, and that's, guys, sometimes what how it works. Like Ape is not a little project; it's a project of 1 billion, guys, and it was in even a lot higher prices. So everybody know the ape NFTs. People lost a lot of money, of course, also in that because they aped in. They aped in the wrong moment. When you ape in the wrong moment, guys, you're gonna lose your money. You should never ape in the wrong moments. When the price is too high, never go in because you're gonna lose your money, and maybe you're gonna lose your house, and you're gonna live in the streets, guys. Don't make this kind of mistakes because it's difficult. It's difficult to when the pump is too high to go inside the coin. It's always risky because like when the coin is low, guys, when the coin is at this very low price and you think, okay, it almost cannot go lower. Okay, it can go lower because you never know the moment, the bottom. It can always go lower. That's why I always say buy in steps, buy in a couple steps. uh, so that can happen, but guys, when you are on the top, when you are on the top of a coin, this coin can drop so much. But when you are in the bottom, okay, it can drop, but it's the drop will be always less than when you are in the top. Like for example, there were people that buy peanut at $2.50. Somebody did it because the price went into $2.50. Somebody was in this world that bought peanut for $2.50. That's not the moment to buy it, guys. Peanut was the moment to buy it when we talked about it, when it was 45 cents, when we made the first video, 39 cents. Sorry, that was the first video what we made. That was a moment to go inside. And then even I make the second video of 90 cents, guys. 90 cents was also a quite safe moment to go in because you saw it. $1 what I expected was a good support for peanut. So this kind of things, guys, is just you learn it with the way. You should buy when the coin it's not strong, when the coin it's still in the down, when nobody is interested in the coin. That's the moment you start to put your money in a coin, in my opinion, guys. Of course, what you do, it's your own thing. Of course, you can also buy a coin on the top and it goes even 3 times more up. It's possible. Just in my opinion, you should have a short stop loss because it can also go wrong. Like it can always go good, but it's all about all the probability, guys. It's what is the biggest probability in the decisions which you make in the market, because that will in the end result in what kind of a portfolio, how big your portfolio will be in the future. Will it be nothing? What can happen a lot, or will it be double or more than double and you win and you win and you win? That's all about choices what you make. So guys, always be very cautious with your choices, not only with trading. I think in life also, one little choice can bring you from up to down. And when that happens a couple times in your life, guys, then you understand that making choices is the most important thing in your life. So that's with trading like that. I think life and trading are very equal. I think trading is life because trading is humans, guys. This charts what you see, it's humans behind it. All little people, all little brains are in this chart. People that make decisions, each decisions count. Your decisions count, the other person decisions count, and that's what makes the price, guys. So always see it like that. Don't see it like a chart. See it like the world. See it like the people. See it like the energy of the universum, guys, because that's how you need to see the market to win the market, to beat the market. And I think you should also have a little bit knowledge about human brains, human how humans brains works, because that's important, guys. You are playing against humans, so you need to recognize a lot of how humans normally reject in kind of situations, because normally, like, they say, like, okay, the history doesn't always repeat, but it repeat, like, in a similar way almost. So you are almost, you, like, it's not exactly the same, but it's quite the same. So that's enough for me. That's it, quite the same, because then you make already a good decision. So guys, I think ape, it's pumping. I think ape have higher prices to come. Of course, it can have always a little pullback. Nothing goes up in one rocket star. But I mean, the coin in generally, I stay in it. I think this coin can again reach the $10, $20, $25, maybe even higher, because when it's reached the $10, $20, guys, that's a moment what one big pump still will coming, that the crazy pump, and that's the last pump, and that's the moment that you should go out. And I will announce it when I go out this coin. I will announce it with you guys. You guys know I share everything. When I go inside, I share it. When I go out the coin, I also share it. So guys, let's go to the next coin. The next coin, what I want to discuss, it's Peanuts the Squirrel, guys. Like I told you guys, this point around $1, I told you guys, it's a quite good point to buy in again. I will dollar cost average at that moment, with steps, buying in again from $1, because it didn't went really lower than the $1. No, it didn't went lower. Exactly $1 was the minimum, and we got here a daily buy. That was also a confirmation, and we broke outside this line, guys, with this candle. So that was also a confirmation that we go higher. And guys, you guys know, with Peanuts, I told you this team is strong. This team, it's not coming for staying here for a couple weeks and go back. This coin is just on Binance. This coin is have a strong connection. These people have long arms. These people have a long reach. They know how to bring a coin up. I knew that the people that sold here, so the big people, they will bring it down at around $1, and that's a perfect point to go up again, guys. And I think Peanut, guys, the minimum, what I think that Peanut will reach, it's $10. But I think this coin will can go a lot higher than $10, guys. I think this is really my minimum expectation is $10. So that will be a market cap of 10 billion. Around 10 billion. I think this coin. I think this cycle, guys. I wanna say this very clearly. This cycle, there will become so much more money in Bitcoin that the market caps, what you expected, what you saw, what you knew in the previous cycles, that this time it will be so much more, because the real money is flowed inside the big Bitcoin, guys. And I think all this money what flowed in the Bitcoin, it will end in a crazy massive alt meme season, guys. I think there come a moment that the people take all the money out from Bitcoin, and they want to the final pump. And guy, this final pump will surprise us. I think it will be the alt season from like the from around 2018. I don't know exactly the year when it was, but around 2018 it was crazy, guys. Everything went so much up. You could not lose. You just put your money inside and you go up and up and up. And guys, I expect a bigger cycle than that. I think even it will be more crazy than that. I think it will be so crazy that there is almost no one person in this world that will not know about altcoins, meme coins, and Bitcoin. I expect that, guys. So I'm very excited in this cycle. I think this cycle, guys, if you do it good, if you follow the rules good, if you act good and make the right decisions, I think it makes a lot of life changers. So that's why I'm very excited about this cycle, guys. So guys, I think Peanut from this point, I think it can go more up. Of course, a couple little pullbacks, it's always possible, guys, but I think Peanut, it's ready to go up and a lot higher, guys. I think this coin, it has big plans, and I think soon it will break again the all-time high, and from that point I think it will directly pump to $4 or $5 when it broke the all-time high, and that's the moment when it get all the attention on it. So I think this coin will come easy in the top, at least in the top 20. So, so be prepared, guys. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Okay, guys, I want to also discuss the last coin with. I want to discuss Dasha because Dasha, guys, I think it's also a nice coin and it's went up, down a lot. Let's go to the weekly. Like, let's see how much it went down from this point to this point. It went 180% down, and in the weekly. So, guys, I think this coin, it's almost bottom out at this point. I think this coin gonna make a massive move soon. I think this coin gonna break the all-time high, and I think it can go easy 20, 30 times from here. It's around now, I think 60 billion market cap, and I expect this coin go a lot higher. I think the coin itself, it's a good project. I think it's a good thing. I think the team also behind it is quite professional and quite strong. And I didn't announce this coin yet, but I think I did it because I saw it's in a perfect place now. It's in a good place. Like, it's in a place that it the downside, guys, it's a lot less than the upside. And I think that's the most important what you should realize. Like, also with the ape coin, I saw this moment that the downside, it was not a lot lower than the upside, and that's, guys, that's the golden spot. That's the honey spot. That's the moment that you think, okay, the upside it's so high and downside it's so low. That was the same like when Bitcoin last year was at 16,000 and everybody thought it'd go lower. But what I thought in myself, I think I thought, okay, everybody expect 10k, but from 10k, from 16k to 10k, it's not even a half your money. It's maybe 70% down. But I thought by myself, from 16k to 100k, it's five times your money. So it's five again one. And that's are the honey spot, guys. That's the moment that you think, okay, this is the moment that the downside, it's the probability that it go down, it's so much lower than that it go up. And that's the moment that I always love to go inside a coin, because I see that the money what you put inside, the risk to lose is a lot lesser than the risk to than that you can win. So I think that's so good to always keep in your mind. So that's why I say I don't like buy the tops. I don't like buy the tops, guys, because the tops, the probability that it go low, it's even bigger or same high than that it go up, and that's gambling, guys. That's like putting a coin up, and is it the head or not. I think that's not the case. That's the same that you go play roulette and you're gonna do black and red. I think the definition, the all the thing about trading and winning in long term, it's that you have the probability to win more than lose. The risk management, the probability that to winning, it need always be a lot more than losing in the long term. Otherwise, why you are even trading? Then it's just gambling, guys. There is no difference between gambling and trading if the probability of winning it's not a lot higher than losing in the long term, guys. You never know before a trade when you're gonna lose or win. That's not you cannot tell that, but you can have an edge, guys. And your edge need always be on your side. More probability, there should be more probability that you win in your edge, because if your edge is not on your favor, then you're just gonna lose in the long term. Maybe you lose, maybe you win one, maybe you win twice, maybe you win again, but in the long term you lose because your edge is not in your benefit. So that's very important to say, guys. So find your edge, whatever you do in trading. Find a good edge, find a good system that in the long term you have more probability to win. And like yesterday I also explained in this tutorial for dex screener, I told you guys you can random pick up coins. So what's a gamble? Maybe one go up and another go down, but you can also minimum the risk to check a lot of points that can help you, can make the probability a lot bigger that you're gonna choose a good coin, that you're gonna make less mistakes to a scam coin. So that's also with trading like this. So that's what I also like to explain a lot to you guys, that it's clear, because I noticed that a lot of other people, they just don't telling this kind of things, because I think this is just the main rule, the base of trading. I think this is really what you need, the mentality what you need to have to win in trading, guys. So, guys, I think this is also a coin what can go up. I wanted to share this also with you. I think it's a perfect moment to end this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I wish you all a fantastic day wherever you are in this world. Be happy, don't stress, make the good choices, protect your bags, and make the right choices, guys. I hope you see all tomorrow. If you like the video, please put a like for some support for the channel, guys, because I do this all for free. I don't have any things inside it what I make money from it. I don't even want it, because I just do this to help you guys, and just with trading I make my money, guys. That's also good. So if you put a like, I appreciate it. And guys, I hope I see you all tomorrow. We're gonna have a fantastic show tomorrow. I'm gonna check what we're gonna discuss tomorrow. So Crypto Milad, guys, have a fantastic day. Enjoy your day. See you hopefully tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.